Here is how you teach multiplication to your kids. So the first step is to make sure you tell them what it is, what the concept of multiplication is. It's really easy to get into memorizing facts, but we really want them to understand what it is and why we use it and how it's so helpful. So we want to start off, first step is to tell them what it is, and that it is repeated addition. Like giving examples and saying that 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, right? And showing them that what that looks like with objects. It could be drawings or it could be actual objects that they have. So showing maybe like 2 cars plus 2 cars plus 2 cars plus 2 cars, and showing them like visually what that is, and doing that over and over until they really understand that concept. And then we want to transition, and the next step would be showing them that 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is the same as 2 times 4. And explaining that and making sure that they understand that, and showing several examples of that. So showing them, you see how 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is the same as 2 times 4, and it becomes this, it gets the same answer. And doing that over and over with different numbers, different ways, so they really understand that concept. Okay? By now they should have understand what multiplication is, why we use it, and how it's so much easier to calculate numbers rather than just writing the same number over and over, adding it. Okay? Then I would start with practicing the easier multiplication facts: zeros, ones, twos, fives, and then tens. Those are the ones to start with, because those are usually easier to memorize and count on, in their head. Like by fives, they could count by fives. Tens, they could count by tens. Even count by twos. And then I would teach the rest, the threes, fours, and so on. Okay. And then from there, it's just practicing and practicing and practicing. Some ideas are using flashcards. That's a great way, just kind of going through them. But you can do games with the flashcards. You can post some around the room, and you can call out a problem, and they can run to it and solve it. And you could do fun games with that, okay? But the idea is to really just make sure that they understand what multiplication is.